BrandLoom, our vision, mission, and the value that we cherish. Our vision. BrandLoom enables brand and startup to resonate with their audience affordably and efficiently. Our mission: to apply branding, digital e-commerce, and design capabilities to enable startups and brands to develop world-class skills and ability and meet consumer need efficiently. Our strategy. Our strategy is focused on helping clients improve their operational performance, deliver their product and service more effectively and efficiently, and grow their business in existing and new market globally. Value we cherish. Integrity, honesty, cooperation, constant learning, and principled entrepreneurships are at the heart of everything we do and the way we operate. These values are enablers that help us achieve the fifth one, that is delivering results. Value we cherish our value pyramid. First, do the right thing. Integrity is the foundation for everything we do. We are admired and respected for commitment to honesty, trust, and transparency. We do the right thing even when no one is watching. Second, depend on each other. Our aim is to ensure wins for everyone. We foster a culture where we can work as a team that works together to achieve our mutual goals. Develop self and others. The world is changing all the time. We constant learning. We are always evolving to do better and serve our customer better. Our aim is to create an ecosystem where our team and clients can thrive and help each other prosper. Fourth, drive efforts like an entrepreneur. We value principled entrepreneurship and prioritize the customer above anything else. Like a true entrepreneur, we take accountability for our actions and learn from our past actions to make a better future. Fifth, deliver result as committed. We put our customer first and every decision we make is aimed to serve their needs and satisfy them. We bring our 100% to the table always and deliver the result that we promise. So my topic is Web 1.0, Web 2.0 and Web 3.0. Introduction. We can all agree that Web has changed dramatically over the years, both as a consumer and as a developer. Thanks to advancement in the web, producing attractive websites and application has never been easier. The purpose of this presentation is to explore the past of web as well as discuss the potential future of web, that is Web 3.0. Web 1.0. Web 1.0 refers to the first stage of the World Wide Web evolution. It was created as a hyperlinked information system. It had the huge library of data sourced on a screen from computer system in the network for users to browse. This phase was dominated by static websites, which were used to display some information. These websites had no or very little interaction capabilities. In this stage, there were only a few content creators. The majority of users of Web 1.0 were consumer of content. An example of Web 1.0 is website CNN. Features of Web 1.0. First, read-only web. Second, static web pages. Third, one-way publishing medium. Fourth, page hyperlinking and bookmarking. Fifth, content served from the server's file system. Sixth, only text mail could be written and sent, no option to attach images. Seventh, use of frames and table, place and align the elements on a web page. Web 2.0. Web 2.0 or participative social web started coming into the picture in the late 1990s. It is an improved version of Web 1.0. It focuses on modifying the way web pages are designed and used. The differentiating factor of Web 2.0 compared to Web 1.0 is that Web 2.0 allows users to create content. It also enables social media kind of interaction. Users can interact in the form of likes, comments, sharing their photos or videos, and etc. In Web 2.0 or the current iteration of the web, tech giants such as Facebook, Twitter, Google, Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon control how our personal data will be used. These companies use algorithm that decides the information that we consume. Web 2.0, a few ways how internet users in Web 2.0 interact and share their thoughts, opinion, and experiences include social media, social networking, tagging, blogs, podcasts, and web content voting. Features of Web 2.0. Read, write web, also known as participative web and social web. Third, dynamic content with high responsive to users' input. User-generated content. Interoperability for end users. User-friendly. Now Web 3.0. It is the third generation of the internet that uses blockchains, cryptocurrency, and metaverses. It focuses on taking back the control of the internet and our data from the giant tech companies. In Web 2.0, our data is under the control of centralized organization. With Web 3.0, the data will be reside on blockchain networks. Therefore, user will be the owner of their own data. The owner get to decide the way in which they want to share. Web 3.0 leverages encryption and distributed ledger technology to address the challenges related to trust. It also focuses on more privacy and security for users. Features of Web 3.0. Read, write, interact web, powered by a blockchain. The use of decentralized network provide data control of owners, 3D visuals and graphics, uses artificial intelligence to provide fast results with accurate real-time insight, support for semantic web that understands the meaning of word, use of advanced authorization mechanism for the protection of user data and identity. Comparison between Web 1.2, Web 2.2, Web 3.2. In Web 1.2, it was just read-only web. In Web 2.2, it was read-write web. And in Web 3.0, it will be now read, write, and execute web. Web 1.2 was the first stage of the internet. Web 2.0 is the second stage of the internet. Web 3.0 will be the third stage of the internet. Web 1.2 purpose is information sharing. Web 2.0 is about interaction. And Web 3.0 aims at immersion. In Web 1.2, content was owned. In Web 2.0, content was shared. And in Web 3.0, content will be collectively owned and shared. In Web 1.0, more of a simple and passive web. Web 2.0 is a more of a social web. And Web 3.0 will be a semantic web. Web 1.0 focuses on connecting information. Web 2.0 focuses on connecting people. Web 3.0 revolves around connecting knowledge. Web 1.2 contains static website. Web 2.0 is the introduction of web applications. Web 3.0 is a web-based intelligent functionalities and application. Web 1.0, no or little interaction between server and user. In Web 2.0, there was a better interaction between server and user. Web 3.0 is designed to deliver a personalized web experience to the user. Thank you, guys.
Okay.
Yeah.
Harshita?
Yes, sir. Harshita, do you have any examples for Web 3.0?
Yeah, metaverses. Nowadays, we all are hearing the news about metaverses, like how Facebook is going to create metaverses. This is one of the biggest example of a Web 3.0.
Okay. Thank you.
How it is going to impact on SEO? Like for in websites, it is for but
yeah, your question is how Web 3.0 will change the SEO
beneficial or yes.
Okay. So as in the presentation we learned that Web 1.2 was basically was content related. Then in Web 2.0 we started sharing things, which definitely build the SEO thing. And in Web 3.2, the personalized thing will also great for the SEO purpose.
Harshita?
Yeah.
Can you explain one more time a slide before the feature of Web 2?
This one?
Yes, this one.
Okay. So a few ways how internet users in Web 2.0 interact and share their thought, opinion and experiences include it's just what we are using nowadays. We use social media, we use social networking, we tag our friends, we this is how we interact nowadays. We write blogs, we do podcasts, and we web content voting we do.
Okay, thank you. And one more.
Yeah.
In comparison slide, there was a third point.
This third, the purpose
the
is
purpose is sharing. In second, it is about interaction, and in third, it aims to immersion. What does the difference is comparison? क्या है इनका?
Okay, so in Web 1.2, the main purpose was information sharing. Just through just some website information was shared. Now in Web 2.2, we started interacting with each other by sharing the information. But in Web 3.2, the information sharing plus interaction will be both the thing will combine together, and it will then more diversification will be there in Web 3.2.
Harshita,
Yeah.
Can you explain me the fifth point that is a more of a simple and passive way in a Web 3.0?
Oh, okay. So Web 1.2 is it just was a simple web. It just the writer was just writing. There were no images, there were no video. But in Web 2.2, in blogs, in website, the images were there, then videos were there. That's why it was some sort of social web. But in Web 3.2, it would be a semantic web. Their information plus videos plus many more things would be there in Web 3.2.
Thank you, Harshita.
Any more questions?
No, nothing from my side.
Okay.
No.
Thank you.
Yeah.
No, thank you, Harshita.